Begin by opening the front door. Turn the handle counterclockwise to unlock the conveyance box. Pinch the tabs on either side of the box to remove it. Make sure the box remains upright to prevent any spill. Unlock the required drum by pushing the handle counterclockwise. Lift and pull the drum gently while using your bottom hand to support it. Turn the old drum into the plastic bag that comes with the new drum. With the new drum, remove all packaging, line it up where the old drum came out and slide it back in place. Lock it in place by moving the handle to the left. Now remove the cleaning wand from the front of the cover. Slide it in place with the arrows facing up, as you can see here, and move it back and forward a few times. When finished, return the cleaning wand to its position. Return the conveyance box back into position until it clips into place. Then turn the lock in a clockwise direction to lock it in place, and close the front door.